Hey everyone, welcome to this week's product updates. Every Thursday we're going to be recording a video and sharing everything we've been shipping so far, no matter how big or small it is. So this week we want to start with a hidden feature, which is only available for our Pro subscribers, which is called experimental mode, and you can see over here. Actually, if you're a Pro user, you have to go into your preferences and then toggle this feature on and off so you're able to access it from the generator. So I'm just going to keep it on as it was before. And let's say that I want to generate a portfolio page. And the reason I want to do a portfolio page is because this mode will allow us to do more than just landing pages. So we're going to try with this suggested prompt, see what can happen. But really, you can use this to create more stuff like social media assets or about pages, pricing pages, anything else in your website. So let's see what happens. And immediately you're going to notice that this white screen is going to pop up and your generation is going to take a lot longer than the usual one. And that's okay. We're still figuring this out. We're still trying out different ways on how to improve it. And it's going to be a little bit slow and unreliable in the beginning. So while this is generating, I'm going to go and show you a couple of other things. So another thing we have in here is a referral program. So this is just new. And basically, when you open up the plugin and you go into your plans, you'll have this button to get Pro for free. And each of you will have a unique referral link that you can share with your friends. And once your friends sign up and use the plugin, you'll see that this number here is going to go up. And you need to get until 3 friends who sign up to apply for Musho Pro for free. So as soon as you get your 3 friends to sign up, you'll be able to find your link to your coupon code in here. But go ahead, look for plans, get your link, and start sharing with your friends. And now let's go back and see how experimental mode is doing. Okay, so it's definitely creating something. We can see the preview of the generator in here. It's only at 43%, so it gives us time to look over some other small updates. Okay, so this in here, it's a super small thing. You'll hardly notice it, but before all of our frames were called frame, and they were all called the same thing regardless of what they had. But now, if you generate a banana landing page, it's going to have a summary as a title in the frame name. Same as with this athlete shop. I think it's a speed and performance in athletic gear shop. And this taco shop, it says that it's a festive family owned taco shop. So whatever you're generating, it's going to create your title so that you can try that out. And it's going to help you keep your files organized. Now let's go back to experimental mode. Okay, so it's still on 51%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut to when this is ready so we can see the final results together. And we're back a lot faster than I thought. We have our portfolio page. It's a pretty simple page with a get in touch form, some testimonials, and some images. It will be cool to try this generator and see what else we can build with it. We've seen it done some super cool Facebook page layout types that will be cool to try out. So yeah, we have this for now. It's in beta, so try it out. Let us know what you think. And we'll see each other next week, and we'll record some new product updates.